Hello, and welcome to another install video with Boomboat Racing. Today we'll be getting into the 11th Gen Civic and how to install the Boomboat Racing motor mount. To get started, make sure you have the following tools to complete the install. Remove the factory under tray. Loosen up the bolt connecting the factory mount to the transmission. Slide it out as much as possible. Remove the bolt connecting factory mount to the frame. Pull the motor mount down and remove the bolt completely. Prepare the Boomboat Racing motor mount. Slide the Boomboat Racing motor mount into the frame. Make sure the side marked up is facing the top. Pry the Boomboat Racing motor mount down to insert the mounting screw. Secure the Boomboat Racing motor mount to the frame. Tighten down the Boomboat Racing motor mount. Reinstall the under tray. And you're done! Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boomboat Racing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with product releases and what's new with us.